So now let's see how we can go ahead and create a new export preset inside of Adobe Bridge. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto the export section. If you don't see that here, then you need to go around onto Windows and then choose export right here in order to enable it out. So over here by default, you can see that export to DNZ is already here and it's a pre-existing preset, but you can create a new one as well. So once you go ahead and choose that, you can choose a preset name as you like. So let me just go around and let's say, for example, for the saving option, I'm going to choose original file location and save this to a subfolder named process right here, just like this. So over here, you can also overwrite existing file or create a unique file name. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that out right here. So I can create a unique file name. And you can see that there's the image format that I can select. So I can select DNZ, TIFF, PNG right here. So in my case, I'm just going to select JPEG right here. And for the extension, I'm going to select JPG and bring down the image quality right here. So the preset name would be JPG low quality, or let's say, for example, compress low quality compressed right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and name it out. Similarly, I can bring down the image quality to 2, let's say, for example, and I can also go ahead and resize out the image to fit a certain dimension. So I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, resize to fit right here on the long edge. I'm going to go ahead and then select out, let's say, 800 pixels right here. So I really want to go ahead and make it small, and I don't want to enlarge out images that are smaller than this. So I'm going to choose don't enlarge. But if I want to enlarge it, I can go ahead and select out resampling method as well. But I'm just going to go around and select this, and for the metadata, I can choose, let's say, all except camera and camera raw info and so forth right here as well. So you can also remove the location info or apply a metadata template as well. So over here, I'm going to append the metadata info right here, and you can also add in keywords right here, like I'm going to add in process right here. And I'm going to go ahead and add in TutorTube. So as I go ahead and add in all of these information right here, I can simply go ahead and save it right here. And you can see that on the export section, you got this particular preset right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the preset option to create a new preset as you like inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.